So we've always been quite forward thinking. We want to be ahead of the curve. And I think adopting this whole green initiative is still kind of making its way into the tourism industry. And there's various aspects of being green. Obviously, one of them being green energy. Yes, we want to do it to attract guests, but we also want to be a pioneer for lodges and the tourism industry in Namibia. So we're also doing water recycling. We're in the desert, so water is quite scarce. Then there's also the cultural element of sustainability. We have the native Bushmen here. We're trying to preserve that culture of the Bushmen. Running a lodge, unfortunately, requires a lot of electricity. There's a lot of electricity that goes into the food preparation, into the accommodation. Now, a lodge isn't a single entity, it's an ecosystem consisting of a lot of different aspects. And most of those aspects need energy. In Sigenergy, we saw this system in which it can correct itself. It's AI driven. Since we've had it, we haven't had any issues, any call outs, any reliability issues. Every day we wake up with power. So in terms of reliability, it has definitely ticked the boxes. And then another aspect which is very important for us is scalability. We don't know what the energy demands are going to be in say 2 years time. So we needed a product that is going to match that scalability need of us. So in terms of Iseli, I had a lot of back and forth with them because there was a lot of questions and concerns from my side, and they just handled it so seamlessly and effortlessly, and they just gave me peace of mind. And in terms of Solar Saver, we've been working with them for 10 plus years now, and they've always been reliable.
Iseli assisted them with some of the design process. We also assisted with the installation commissioning and are currently providing them with technical support.
There was various challenges that was posed from the very beginning when the owner had a look at the energy storage solution. Firstly being logistics, secondly being safety, thirdly being redundancy. When the client had a look at an energy storage solution, for them flexibility and upscalability on a later stage was very important. The current solution for Bagatelle is 300 kilowatts on AC, 960 kilowatt hour of storage, 400 kilowatts of PV and 250 kVA genset integration. There's a few key topics that came into play here that sort of incorporates what Sigenergy stands for on a global scale. Firstly, sustainable partners for the future. Secondly, user experience. Thirdly, overcoming industry challenges like we have here at Bagatelle. And lastly, driving energy independence globally.